What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. And today, we'll be taking a look at a pair of Air Max 1s in the Spiral Sage colorway. If you're new around here, welcome to the channel. More Than Hype is all about bringing you honest and detailed reviews about new releases and sneakers from the past. If you're interested in seeing more sneaker related content, you can subscribe to the channel by clicking our logo in the bottom right of the video. Alright, now let's get into the review, starting with the packaging. Comes in a standard Nike sportswear box. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Taking a look at the size tag. So the official name of these are Nike Air Max 1 PRM or Premium. Colors are white, spiral sage, and wolf gray. Style code DB5074100. I got a size 8.5 in these, which is my true Nike size, and I'd say these do run true to size. So for comparison, in Air Jordan 1s or Air Max 90s, I also wear a size 8.5. I got that here, and I like the fit. Now, let's take a look at the shoes. First impressions, I'm really digging the colorway. I can't help but see the resemblance between these and the Patta Air Max 1s. Everything from the colors and even the mini swoosh embroidery here at the toes. Also, to note the quality. Nike can give us nice materials like this, but when they do, they want to make sure that you know it. If you're interested in getting a pair, they are releasing in the US on November 30th for $150 retail. I'll leave some links in the description on where you can cop. But that aside, let's get both pairs out now and take a closer look, starting with the upper. So this is a full leather upper, and starting with the underlay, we have this really soft, tumbled white leather here. Sometimes Nike will over tumble, if that's the right word, and exaggerate this look, but I think this right here is perfect. You can really only see the grain when you're creasing the leather here. On the quarter panels, we have this wolf gray color leather. This is by far the worst quality part of the shoe, but it is in a few places giving the shoe structure, and it's being used as a bit of an arch support on the medial side here, so I'll give it a pass. Finally, the spiral sage pieces. Starting with the mudguard, this leather is more on par as far as quality goes with the white leather we have on the underlay. We also see this being used for the swoosh on both sides of the shoe. A little hit of spiral sage on the top eyelets. And finally on the heel, we have Nike Air embroidered in that spiral sage color. On the tongue, we have our Nike Air patch in spiral sage. The tongue is made of a synthetic textile. Regular flat white laces you'd find on any Air Max 1. No extra set of spiral sage laces with these, unfortunately. The underside of the tongue is colored in spiral sage, but the rest of the lining in the shoe, as well as the insole, is in white. Spiral sage hit on the foam insole, and if you look at the bottoms, we can see the Air Max 1 traction pattern design. This is a nice touch only sneaker fans will really appreciate or even see, but there it is. And moving on to the midsole. The midsole is painted all around in this matte white paint. The airbag is also colored in spiral sage. Then another look at our outsole. We have black, white, and black, as well as a hit of spiral sage at the toes. So overall, a really solid new colorway for the Air Max 1 silhouette. This premium pair did release in a pack with another colorway done with similar materials, but in this Mystic Dates color, which is almost like a darker Bordeaux color. Of the two, this is definitely the one I like more. The Patta Air Max 1 is one of those grail colorways that I'll probably never own, but this pair, from the colorway to the mini swoosh and even the outsole, has so many similarities to the Patta, it makes me like it that much more. On top of that, the materials used here are nice, and of course, the Air Max 1 is an iconic silhouette and one of my personal favorites. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker related content, and I'll catch you on the next video.